One love. How can you tell the depth of this love so that you would know all that it means? You search your head, your heart, and your soul, but can't find the words to explain. You know you'd go to the ends of the earth to see that smiling face. You know you move a mountain for the warmth of a slight embrace. You'd even conquer the wildest beast to feel that loving touch. For it gives your aching heart a release. It soothes the pain oh so much. So what you're saying here today is that your heart is not yours alone. But you're giving your whole selves away to share with each other its known. God has ordained this one love for Alyce and Davis to share, and it's His good pleasure from above, both heaven and earth do declare. So go forth and live an amazing life. Experience the joys of living. Today you become husband and wife. So take all this one love is giving.